Okay, so a little bit of introduction of HSE, why HSE matters. Okay, so I believe earlier in the morning, Fazrul has talked about a little bit of offshore operation. And just now, Puan Suhaila already talked about the drilling operation in HSE. And I believe in my slide, kita ada cover a little bit of exploration, drilling skate, and engineering, and lastly is production. Okay, so what are the most important part in HSE that I would like to tell you guys is we want everyone to go back home safely. Okay, this is the tagline yang normally been used by all the operator, normally been used by all oil and gas company. We send people to offshore to perform the works, and we want to ensure that they come back to home because everyone goes to offshore wanted to earn money to bring back to the family. All right. So HSE is actually we want to safeguard. We want to safeguard the people. We want to safeguard our environment. We want to safeguard our asset. Okay, these three is the most fundamental of why HSE is there. Okay, so basically people, because we want the people that we send to offshore have a confirmation that they will come back to the shore environment because, well, I love this quote I read it somewhere. We only are the caretaker of the environment. We are actually borrow our current condition from the next generation. So please put it in your mind that the environment aspect is important because if not now we're taking care of our environment, the future generation, our kids will not have a good environmental friendly lah. Okay. And as said that I mentioned, well, when we are going, why we have to take care of our asset? Because it's a business. When we go to offshore, when we do something, we are actually generating income. Not income to yourself only, but also the income to the company, nation, surroundings. So you get money, you come back, you belanja apa semua. So you are generating the income, the economic model in not only Malaysia but also wherever that you go lah. Okay, some significance of ensuring safety and environmental responsibility. Well, when we are doing the job, kita semua akan tertakluk kepada legal and regulatory. Okay, in Malaysia kita ada lots of legals that are covering not only to our operation but also to the personnel itself. We have to abide to the law. Okay, kita tertakluk kepada DOSH regulation, DOE regulation, atomic regulation. There's lots of regulations that covering in the oil and gas punya sector. Yang biasa kita dengar hanyalah OSHA, environment. Tapi sebenarnya ada sangat banyak regulation. Kalau kita ambil satu contoh production saja, kalau tak silap saya, seingat saya, back in 2019, last I buat the kita panggil dia legal compliance, kita ada 127 legal act yang kita kena comply. Okay. Yang kedua, reputation and stakeholder trust. When we go for anything, kita ada stakeholder. Stakeholder ni is not only people are working with us, community yang ada dekat sesuatu tempat, but also the company punya stakeholder, which means to say the investor. Say for example, if we are talking about Shell, I just quote, this is betul tak betul belakang cerita . This just an example lah. Macam contoh Shell operate in Malaysia, dia ada several stakeholder. Dia ada MPM, Malaysia Petroleum Management. Dia ada Malaysia Government. Dia ada Petronas Carigali as a stakeholder. And stakeholder yang paling besar dia adalah Shell, Royal Dutch Shell. So, itu semua stakeholder. Itu kalau kita nak konteks of a stakeholder yang investor lah. So, ada banyak orang. Sebab kalau contoh, kita ambil contoh Exxon Valdez Deepwater Horizon, the most impacted company yang kena pasal Deepwater Horizon is BP. And till today, BP still kena bayar pampasan, clean up. So that is stakeholder. Okay. Next, why the company have to invest, have to make sure the kita punya HSE in a good manner, because we want to retain employee. Say for example, kalau company tu tak menjaga safety untuk personnel dia yang pergi ke offshore semua, will you guys wanted to go to untuk join lagi ke company tu for the next coming years apa semua? You probably doesn't want lah, because you tahu, oh, company ni macam apa, buat sikit je, aku tak terjaga, siapa yang nak bekerja, betul? And the last one is the emergency preparedness lah. In case of emergency, apa nak buat, macam mana nak buat. So that's are the things why the HSE is quite important.